my gosh. Okay. Pull.
Get all the air out first.
Don't do it yet.
Would you like to see one?
No. What? What'd you
I said, would you like to see one?
Are you doing the thing?
I can.
Or I can.
Either one. Pick.
Hang on, I gotta look at the dot. Oh God. Am I holding it right?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
I hope I don't cuss. I'm so sorry if I do. Wait, are you videotaping?
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait, what do I have to say, Paul?
Yeah.
My heart is pounding out of my
I'll
chest.
just throw one so you know where it's going. There you go.
Whoa.
Nothing's going to shoot that.
What?
I was just throwing it so you could see where it was going.
Can you do it one more time? Wait.
I'm waiting for you to say pull.
Okay, pull. Do you hit twice?
That was very...
That hurts my arm.
Yeah, you put it in the same
So I have
place.
one more?
Yep.
Okay, go. Ready? Wait. That hurts
We're
my
just going to
arm.
throw them both to give her the best chance.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Huh? I only have one bullet. Okay, pull. Oh, son of a biscuit.
Pull, Adam. Oh.
Okay. I'm so nervous. Okay. Okay. Pull. Gosh. Okay. Pull. Okay.
They're ready for their turn.
Oh, nice.
Did you hear what he said?
What?
I didn't say anything.
Did you say better than Lindsay?
I did not say that. I can't say that.
I wasn't even looking at the target.
Ooh, that's
Oh.
pretty far. You almost hit the target too.
Oh my gosh. So much.
Aren't you glad you had that glove?
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Nice.
I think he's down a little bit.